Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. In that first chapter I have completed already. Now this is the second chapter. Second chapter is numbers and sequences. Exercise 2.1. In this sixth sum, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor, that is HCF, of 340 and 412. We know the Euclid's division algorithm as A is equal to BQ plus R. So with the help of that we are going to do this. We are going to find the HCF of this number. So first one is 340 and 412. So how to find this is 412. Whatever number is given, from that we will take the biggest number. Okay, how will you do long division method? 412. If we have two numbers, we take the bigger number. Inside we will put it like this, and the smaller number we will write like this. Okay, so in this only one time 340 will go. Okay, so the remainder is, here we will 2 minus 0 is 2, and then the remaining is 72 here. Okay, 72 is the remainder here. Then again we will bring this 340 as the dividend. Okay, so the divisor becomes 72. The same procedure here also, we will write it in some different form, that's all. So 412 is equal to, next number is 340, smaller number. So this one only one time, so 340 into 1 plus the remainder is 72. Okay, then next step is, still we are getting the remainder as 0. This procedure will continue. The same way here also. So next one is, the remainder is not equal to 0. This is remainder. So this is of the form A is equal to BQ plus R. So this is A. This number is A. Bigger number is A. Smaller number is B. And the quotient is 1 here. And the remainder is 72. Then the next step is, we will take this 340. We are going to divide this 340 by 72. By 72. So we will bring this 340 here. This, in the first step, it is B. This is A and this one is B. In the second step, that B will become A, like this. It will be coming like this. Okay. So 340 is equal to 72 into, how many times it will go? So 72, 3 times, 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21. 4 times is 72 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Only 4 times it will go. So 4 times it will be 288. Okay, so the balance is 2. Then this one is 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 13. Then we will get here 52. Okay, so 52 is the remainder. So the same thing we have to write it here. So 72 into 4 is 288 plus remainder is 52. Plus remainder is 52. So again, we are not getting the remainder as 0. So it has to be continued. So the 72 we have to write here as A. So we have to bring this 72 down. Okay, so this 72 is equal to 52 into 52. How many times? Only one time it is 52. So the balance is 20 here. Okay, so 52 into 1 is 52 plus 20. Okay, then again it has to be continued. So this 52 we will bring here. Dividend and divisor will change. So here 52 is equal to this 20 into 2 times it will go. 22s are 40. So the remainder is 12 here. Same way 20 into 2 is 40. Remainder for this is 12. We are not getting the remainder as 0. So again it has to be continued. So 20 is equal to 12. So 12 into 1. Only one time it will go. So 12 20, only one time 12, remainder is 8 here, plus 8, remainder is 8. Again this 12, 12 is equal to, again 8, one time only it will go, plus 4. So 8 is 8, 12, so it will go only one time, balance is 4. Okay, so again I will bring this 8 here, is equal to 4 into 2 plus 0. So what I got here, this 0 is the remainder. The 0 is the remainder here. So 4 is the HCF. 4 is the HCF. Remainder is 0. So till the remainder I am getting it as 0. So here also when I continue this 4, I have to bring this 8 down. 4 2s are 8. The remainder is 0. So till I am getting the remainder as 0, I have to continue this. This method is called Euclid's division algorithm. Using Euclid's division algorithm, I have found the HCF of these two numbers as 4. So HCF is equal to 4. HCF of 340 and 412 is 4. Second sum is 867 and 255. 867 and 255. So the same procedure, 255 and 867 both has to be divided. So here in this Euclid's division, we will write it as 867 is equal to 255 into, how many times it is going we will see. So 3 times we will check. 255 into 3 is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 160, 765. So 3 times it will be 765. So the remainder is 2 0 1 102. So the same thing, 255 into 3 plus 102. Okay, again this 255 I will bring it here. So here in this 255 will become A here. Okay, so dividend is equal to 102 into. So this 102, 2 times it will be 204. So the balance will be 51. So 102 into 2. 102 into 2 plus 51. Okay, so again this 51, I am bringing this 102 here. So 2 times it will be 102. So this 102, when I rewrite it as 51 into 2, it will be 102 plus 0. So till I am getting 0, I have to continue this Euclid's division algorithm. So I have continued it and stopped it when I get the remainder as 0. So here also remainder is there. The same thing I am writing it here. So the HCF for these two, the HCF for these two is 51. So 51 is the HCF for these two numbers. So HCF is equal to 51. That is HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.